Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn how to install VS Code. So basically VS Code is a code editor where you can write code and run. In VS Code you can write HTML code, CSS code, JavaScript code and jQuery etc. So these are another code editor like CodeBlock and second is Sublime. So in this video we will install VS Code. So first type VS Code, enter, click first link and click download button and your download will automatically start. So here some question and you can install according to your if you are using Window or MacBook. So I use Window, so I click Window and here you can see downloading is start. I will cancel it because I have already installed. So go back. So when you install a code editor you will see this type interface. So you can first of all click open folder and assign name, let's say HTML, and when you create a folder you will also add a file and assign name like doc.html and many more. So subscribe the web guy and like this video. Thank you.